Top 5 drone accessories you must have. Number 5. Battery charging hub. A battery charging hub is a top drone accessory for those who dislike extended charging waits. It can charge 2 to 3 drone batteries simultaneously, cutting down on wait times. Its sequential charging feature prioritizes batteries based on power levels, and its compact design ensures portability. 4. Spare drone batteries. Investing in extra batteries is also a good idea. The more batteries you take, the longer you can fly without replacing or charging them. Number 3. Spare propellers. Other spare items. As you may have found out, the propellers on your drone are very fragile and can easily get damaged when you hit something, during takeoff and landing, for example. Therefore, keeping spare propellers in your bag is a good idea. This also applies to every detachable or replaceable item on your drone. Having spare items on you at all times can be a lifesaver. Number 2. Having a drone shoulder bag or a camera bag. For drone enthusiasts who take their devices everywhere, safeguarding them from scrapes and scratches during transit is essential. I personally use the K&F Concept Hardcase camera bag. Its customizable interior ensures secure transportation of your device, and its peripherals are catering mainly to small-sized drones such as DJI Mavic Mini or Mavic Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom, or Mavic Mini. I am not sponsored by K&F, by the way. And number 1 on the list is... Oh wait, I forgot to ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up, since you've already gotten this far, and also subscribe. Thank you. And now back to number 1, numero uno Ichiban. ND filters, perfect your aerial cinematography. Neutral density, ND filters are essential for photographers and videographers looking to achieve stunning visuals. These filters help control the amount of light entering your drone's camera, allowing you to shoot in various lighting conditions without overexposure. Whether it's a bright sunny day or a low light situation, ND filters provide the flexibility to create smooth and cinematic footage. It is like giving your drone sunglasses. Controlling exposure. ND filters limit the amount of light that enters the camera, allowing for longer exposures in bright light conditions. This allows photographers to use a wider aperture for longer periods of time, which can create a shallow depth of field and sharper images. Creating motion blur. ND filters can be used to create motion blur in photos and videos. By slowing down the shutter speed, anything moving in the frame will become blurred. This can be used to create a silky smooth effect in water or to remove moving objects from a scene. Reducing contrast. ND filters can be used to reduce contrast and create a soft, fluid look. Retaining color and detail. ND filters can help retain color and detail in bright areas, such as the sky, making photos look more professional. ND filters can instantly make photos and videos look more professional. That is all for this video. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Fly safe.